Okay. So Anamika, first you just show me the section where you have solved the sum.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's visible. Hello?
It's visible. Okay, fine. Uh, then Abhishek Kumar Verma, you show me where you have done the sum.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it visible?
अच्छा ठीक है. Apeksha, you show me where you have solved the sum.
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Okay. But your sum is wrong. Why? I will tell you. Because in the last row you had 113. So it should not be the answer, right? The last row should have always 111. है ना? 111 नहीं होगा तो होमोजेनियस कोऑर्डिनेट में कन्वर्ट कैसे करोगे? तो ये गलत है. ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
After solving the
हाँ ठीक है, हम लोग देखेंगे कहाँ पे गलत है. अच्छा ठीक है. So you was Apeksha, right? Then Babita.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly show me where you have solved. Okay, fine. Okay, stop it. Acha. Then Ritik Hasda.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me where you have solved the sum. Okay, fine. Fine. Then Aditya Kumar Pandey.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me where you have solved the sum.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my camera is not flipping. Wait. Yeah.
Okay. So you are Aditya Kumar Pandey. Fine. Ankit Kumar. Show me where you have solved the sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me where you have solved the sum.
Ma'am, I haven't, ma'am, I came late.
No, this was, in the last class you were not even present.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Then Kajal Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Camera.
अच्छा, ठीक है, ठीक है. Then Keshav Kumar Khaware.
Is it visible?
देखते हैं. हाँ, ठीक है. Then Manish Kumar. Okay. Muskan Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. पल्लवी.
Ma'am, I was not present last class.
Okay. Then Preeti Kumari Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Preeti Verma.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is visible.
देखते हैं, आएगा थोड़ी देर बाद आता है. प्रीति, तुमने स्टॉप शेयर किए हैं तो? प्रीति कुमारी सिंह स्टॉप
Yes, ma'am.
शेयर. अच्छा अच्छा.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं, प्रीति वर्मा तुम्हारा तो अभी तक नहीं आ रहा है.
Ma'am.
अच्छा, फिर तुम व्हाट्सएप में वो पिक्चर भेज दो हमें. ठीक है.
Okay.
अच्छा.
Okay.
रोशन कुमार.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. रिया चांद.
Yes, ma'am.
रिया, तुम सुबह के क्लास में नहीं थे?
मैम मैं लास्ट में निकल गई थी क्लास से कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम की वजह से.
अच्छा.
यस मैम, फिर मैंने फ्रेंड से क्वेश्चन लिया एंड देन उसे बनाया.
ठीक है. अच्छा. सचिन यादव.
Yes, ma'am. Hello. Ma'am.
अच्छा, ठीक है. संजय पिंगुआ. संजय पिंगुआ. अच्छा, ठीक है. सियाराम.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है, तानिया।
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, फाइन फाइन। अच्छा, तो पहले हम आंसर लिख देते हैं। आई थिंक कुछ कुछ लोगों का आंसर शायद गलत आया है, तो हम पहले आंसर लिख देते हैं। मेरा ट्रायंगल था ABC और हमें 45 डिग्री रोटेशन करना था पहले अबाउट ओरिजिन। तो अगर हम 45 डिग्री रोटेशन अबाउट ओरिजिन करते हैं तो मेरा ट्रायंगल सपोज A' B' C' का मेरा कोऑर्डिनेट्स आएगा कुछ इस तरफ। ठीक है, और सेकंड वाला सेक्शन था कि perform 45 degree rotation of the triangle about the point P -1 which is given to you. So तब जाके मेरा कुछ ऐसा आएगा फाइनल रिजल्ट। ठीक है, so these are the answers for the two sections. If your answer has matched with this, that means you have done it right. If your answer has not matched with this, that means in some step doing the matrix multiplication, you have performed some mistake. If you are performing some mistake during matrix multiplication, then you can rectify it. Check whether instead of writing the transformation matrix first, then the object matrix next, whether you people have wrongly written the object matrix first and the transformation matrix next, then it will give you wrong answer also. Fine. So considering I have taken the column measure form, this is the right answers which you should get. Fine. Now, so two varieties of rotation I have shown you. We have solved it together. Then let's move to another variety. Okay, another thing can come. These examples I am showing you using triangle, right? Another thing can come. They may say that consider there is a square. So square will have A, B, C, D. 4 coordinates will be given to you. Anything may come. It's not that always triangle will come. So suppose this is the square which is provided to you, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1. These are the 4 coordinates. And they may ask you that rotate this square ABCD by 45 degree in clockwise direction about the point A10. Listen to this very carefully. Savitri, why are you so late? Okay. So up to the last sum which you solved, you looked at the variety where an object is given to you, an external point is given to you, and you are performing the rotation with respect to that point. Here, one object is given to you and it is asked, suppose if this is the square A, B, C and D, it is asked to perform rotation by this much degree in this direction about this point only. Now this point is one of the points in your object only. This is a new variety. Earlier a point was here over here. With respect to this point, you are doing the rotation. Now, the point with respect to which you will do the rotation is one of your vertices only in your entire object. So this is a new variety, but not an issue. The same concept is applied. What is the concept applied? I will show you. We are doing a lot of sums using column measure form, right? So let us do this sum using row measure form. So ABCD, the object matrix will be 1 0 0 0 0 1 and 1, right? And in row measure form, the last columns will be all padded with 1. Always remember to perform this step. Okay. Now, first object matrix I have got. Now we need to find the rotation matrix, or you may say we need to find the transformation matrix. How I will get it? With respect to A, that is, this is a secondary point. So first is a translation, then is a rotation, and then is a reverse translation, right? Now, the first translation which is there, since I have taken in row measure form, what was my Tx and Ty1? This was my translation in row measure form. So about the point A, the rotation needs to be performed. So what is the value of Tx?
1,
And what is the value of Ty?
0.
0. Okay. So first my matrix will look like this. Now no one asked me why instead of 1 I am written -1. In the last sum also I have written -2 -2. The concept is when from here you are bringing the body to here, you are doing a negative consideration. You are downscaling it. You are not upscaling it. So always for the first step, we do a negative thing. The negative thing we are doing, because the sums that are given to us, the objects are somewhat placed over here. If you approximately draw the XY plane also, you will see the objects are placed somewhat over here. And you are downscaling the object to translate it to origin. So for the first translation, we are doing a minus of the Tx, Ty units. And for the reverse translation, we are taking the positive of the Tx, Ty units. Okay? Okay. So this is your Tx and Ty, and in between you need to form the rotation matrix. What is your rotation matrix? Your rotation matrix should be for 45 degree, for clockwise direction, plus following the row measure form. Fine. So rotation in clockwise about origin row measure, it is actually cos theta minus sin theta, sin theta, cos theta, and next is 0, 0, 1. Fine. So this is your entire transformation matrix. In place of theta, you will put cos 45, whatever the value is. And you will get certain, after doing this, you will get a certain matrix. I am naming is at suppose T. Now this T, 1 minute. Now this T will be multiplied or will be applied over my square matrix in order to do the rotation, do the final transformation. So this transformation matrix, when finally multiplied with my square matrix, the object matrix, then I will have the final transformed matrix of my original object with respect to this point rotation. Fine. And you will see the answer you will get. The last column, there will be all 1. And in between, these values will be filled up. Then you will understand you have got the right answer. So this is another variety of sum where you are performing the rotation with respect to arbitrary point concept only. But the point is given within the, within the square coordinates you have, no external point, but same logic is applied. Do not get confused if in exam it comes like this. You people may think external point तो नहीं है, फिर कैसे करें? नहीं, same concept है. तब A को ही हम लोग मान लेंगे कि यही मेरा external point है. External point doesn't necessarily means always out of the body. It means anything apart from the origin is an external point rotation, is an arbitrary point rotation. Is this thing clear? So a triangle, now several type of rotations varieties we have solved. Now we will solve one scaling concept. One scaling concept which we will solve. 1 minute. Acha. Okay, so this is the sum which is given to you. Can anyone say, like, what is the concept of this sum? We have learned the logics. The logic we have learned in the last classes only. What is the concept? Which formula should we apply? Which category it falls under? Magnifying means what?
large करना.
लार्ज करना मतलब किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को बड़ा करना. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को बड़ा करना मतलब मींस व्हाट? कौन सा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का कैटेगरी में आता है? विच टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज इट?
स्केलिंग.
स्केलिंग. फाइन. बोला है एक ट्रायंगल दिया गया है, मतलब एक ऑब्जेक्ट दिया गया है, एंड इट इज आस्क्ड दैट मैग्नीफाई दिस ऑब्जेक्ट टू ट्वाइस इट्स साइज. मींस आपको स्केलिंग करना है टू ट्वाइस इट्स साइज. ट्वाइस इट्स साइज मतलब एक्स जो यूनिट है वो भी आपका 2 यूनिट स्केलिंग होगा. SY जो यूनिट है वो भी आपका 2 यूनिट स्केलिंग होगा. आपको तो यूनिफॉर्मली ट्वाइस करना है स्केलिंग. फाइन. While keeping C fixed, मतलब with respect to which point the scaling needs to be done?
5 to
point.
3 point.
3 point. That means fixed point scaling, general fixed point scaling, that is scaling with respect to a certain point. इसका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मैट्रिक्स का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या था? क्या था? देख के ही बताओ. जहां पे लिखे थे लास्ट दिन, कल ही शायद हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे. देख के ही बताओ. जनरल फिक्स्ड पॉइंट स्केलिंग का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मैट्रिक्स हम लोग कैसे बनाते हैं। पहले तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मैट्रिक्स बनाएंगे, उसके बाद ना अप्लाई करेंगे इसको किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर। तो यही मैट्रिक्स हम बनाते कैसे हैं, पहले क्या लेते हैं, क्या हुआ बोलो। सेम कॉन्सेप्ट तो रोटेशन का विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू आर्बिट्ररी।
ट्रांसलेशन मैम।
हाँ, पहले लेंगे ट्रांसलेशन, फिर उसके बाद
स्केलिंग।
स्केलिंग, फिर उसके बाद
रिवर्स ट्रांसलेशन।
फाइन। अब ये जो ट्रांसलेशन मेरा होगा, ये ट्रांसलेशन मेरा tx यूनिट्स क्या है, मेरा ty यूनिट्स क्या है।
Ma'am, TX5 and TY2.
Perfect, very nice. tx5 and ty2, right? Fine. अब मान लेते हैं कि हम कॉलम मेजर में ले रहे हैं। फाइन, तो मेरा रिवर्स ठीक उल्टा बन जाएगा। कॉलम मेजर में ले रहे हैं हम, सोच रहे हैं, ठीक है। अच्छा, इनके दौरान मेरा स्केलिंग मैट्रिक्स बैठेगा। मेरा स्केलिंग मैट्रिक्स कैसे बनता है, स्केलिंग मैट्रिक्स याद है,
यस मैम।
ऐसे वाला बैठेगा, ठीक ना। तो स्केलिंग मैट्रिक्स यूनिट क्या है, 2, ट्वाइस बोला गया है, बस ये बैठ जाएगा। क्लियर। अच्छा, अभी ये तीनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, ये तीनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके हमको कुछ आंसर मिलेगा, ठीक है। तो मान लेते हैं मेरे को जो आंसर मिला है वो ऐसा मिला है कुछ, ठीक है। ये है मेरा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मैट्रिक्स। मैट्रिक्स मतलब performing the scaling with respect to a certain fixed point. This is the matrix value which I have got. Now this matrix value I need to apply on my object matrix. Now the entire matrix I have taken in column measure form, right? So my object matrix will also be in column measure form. तो column measure form में मेरा object matrix होगा 0 0 1 1 5 2, ठीक है। और यहां से मेरा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मैट्रिक्स आया है 2 0 -5 0 2 -2 0 0 1. Fine. And when I will multiply these two, I will get a result as -5 -3 5 -2 0 2 1 1 1. Fine. So I can say that the new coordinates of the triangle ABC, after being magnified to twice its size with respect to the point C being fixed, A dash is -5 and -2, B dash is -3 and 0, C dash is 5 and 2. Now, if you see whether you have done the sum correctly or not, magnify with respect to C being fixed means what? C will never change. And you see at your answer, your C has not changed, which means you have done the sum perfectly. These are the new changed coordinates. Fine. So this is another example which I have shown to you regarding the variety that how general fixed point scaling concept is applied. Here, instead of saying twice its size, they may say that Sx is changed to this size. S in the X unit, it is made twice. In the Y unit, it is made twice. then your Sx will become 3, your Sy will become 2. It may also say in the X unit, it is not changed, only in the Y units, it is twice. Then your Sx not changed means your Sx will remain as 1, only your Sy will change. So like this, they can modify the sum giving any data, but the concept is fixed. If you have understood the concept, any type of value given to you, you will be able to solve it. Fine. If anything is not changed, value will be 1. If it is changed, value will be that amount units. Thrice means 3, twice means 2, like this. Fine. So this is another variety of sum which I tried to show. Hope you people have understood it, and if you have not understood it, you people may ask me. Fine. So the names which I have called in the beginning, though, that is the attendance for this class. I hope I have not missed anyone. So I am just telling the names once again. Akash, Ankit, Keshav, Manish, Muskan, Riya, Sachin, Abhishek, Aditya, Anamika. Then Apeksha, Babita, Kajal, Preeti Singh, Preeti Verma, Roshan, Sanjay, Savitri, Siaram, Tania. So this is the attendance. Have I missed anyone? So they can tell me. Okay. And Manish, I will ask you, please from next time, do not attend my class. Okay. Because when I am calling out your name, you are not saying anything. Just before 2 to 3 minutes, the class will end. You are able to write in the chat box. That means you are not even following what I am saying in the class. What you do is, you just attend the class. You just keep the mobile aside. You mark the minutes, and you know when the class will be finished. Just 2 to 3 minutes before, you are coming and writing your name in the chat box. Okay. So if this is the manner of you attending the class, I will ask you, please do not attend my classes. Do not bother to. There are a lot of materials available. You study. Even if you do not study, that is up to you. It's your life. Do whatever you feel like. I will not give you the attendance for this class also. And from next class onwards, if I get any interaction from you, if you are able to show me your copy where you are doing the things, then I will only give you the attendance. For you, I will never give you the attendance, because this thing you are not doing for the first time, and also you have very less attendance in the class. Out of the 18 number of classes held, you have attended only 5. So I think, please do not irritate me further. Please do not attend class, because if this type of students are there in my class, it's better to not take the class for them, because they can do without the class also. So I'm not giving you attendance. Okay. So thank you so much for attending today's class. I hope you people have understood it. Still, if you are not being able to solve, if you have not got the result which I have shown just now for this particular sum, please contact me so that we can we can understand where the problem is happening. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.